There is something common in all of us. Whenever we want to do anything in our life that we never did before, we tend to become very anxious. Anxiety kind of grip us all around. For example, if you have never swam before and you are about to swim and it is your first attempt, you will become very anxious. It's very natural to become anxious for a human being when a human being tries to do something that he never did before. For example, remember a time when you were about to hold the steering of a car and it was your first attempt to drive the car. Didn't you feel anxious? Of course you will feel anxious. And anxiety is very natural to come to a human being while he or she does something for the first time. External, there are incidents which happens in your life which may mentally create problem to you and make you more anxious. But the question is, what can we do to reduce and deal with this kind of anxiety? In our journey to become successful, in our journey to achieve what we want to achieve, we deal with such kind of anxiety with certain tools and techniques and tips, and we move on and we don't quit. So in this video today, I am going to talk about a very simple formula to deal with anxiety. I'm sure you're gonna love it, and if you use this strategically, it is going to help you. So you're gonna ask certain set of questions. So this formula is called HALT, H-A-L-T. So whenever you are anxious, ask yourself, the first letter in HALT means H. It means, are you hungry? At times what happens, you are anxious only because you have not eaten properly, or you have overeaten, or you have not taken the proper diet. At times you are so busy in your life that you don't eat what you're supposed to eat, and you keep on doing your work and you forget about this. This causes a lot of anxiety because it might reduce your blood sugar level in your body, and it may cause a lot of anxiety to you. And the second letter in the formula is A, which is angry. So whenever you are anxious, ask this question to yourself, aren't you angry? At times there are certain situations which you come across or which happens to you which makes you more anxious. So anger is an emotion which may drive you crazy, which may drive you more anxious. So ask this question to yourself, try to control your anger, and it will help you to reduce your anxiety. And the third letter in HALT is L. At times if we are not with people whom we want to live with, it drives us crazy. It makes you more anxious because a man is a social animal. You might have very well heard about this. If you live with the positive people, you will always remain motivated. Similarly, if you live with the negative people, they may bog you down. They may drain your entire energy out of your body. So if you're lonely, stay with the people who will uplift you, who will uplift your spirit and help you come out of mediocrity and anxiety. And the last letter in HALT is T. Most of the time, we become anxious only because we are tired. So ask this question to yourself, have you taken a good sleep last night? Have you taken a rest after doing a rigorous exercise? Have you done meditation? Have you done those rituals that you do every day to energize yourself, to make yourself more productive? How did you set the tone of the day? So it is very important to take rest, because tiredness, fatigueness in your body makes you anxious. And the second hack that I'm going to talk about, apart from this is more associated with the physical state of being. At times what happens because of certain mental conditions, just because of the certain situations, certain incidents which happens to us in our life, causes us to be more anxious rather than something which is causing us physically. At times, take an example that you are about to give a speech to someone who is more higher in authority, or probably you are going on a stage and you have to give a speech. You're not able to hold your breath. So in order to make sure that you are not anxious, you control your anxiety, you got to hold your breath. There is a technique called 4-7-8. Some people may call it 5-5-8. So you got to breathe in for 5 seconds like this, and hold your breath for 5 seconds, and then breathe out for 8 seconds. And at least try to do this for 6 times. And if you do this, you will be able to control your breath, because ultimately your breath is your energy. If you control your energy, you'll be able to perform better. You'll be able to control your anxiety resultantly. So I hope these two methods helps you try to implement it whenever you feel anxious, whenever you are excited next time. Try to do it. If you practice, it is definitely going to help you. So I hope you have loved this video. In case if you have any questions or any feedback, you may want to drop them in the comment section. I would love to answer them. Remember this whole technique to control your anxiety. I'm sure it is going to help you. So this is your friend Tausif. I'm signing off until we meet again. Have a fantastic day.